Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you where to find digital code on Amazon. Okay, so basically we can't find it in our Amazon application because it will not show there. So we have to use a browser. So any browser you can use. So I will just use this Chrome browser, and on the search bar just type the website, that is amazon.com. I will show you an amazon.in. Okay, so I have an account that is here. Just I will click over that and scroll it, and you will see your account and click on see all. Okay, and after that you have to click on your orders, and here it is very important to click on the filters, so don't forget that. And exactly not yet shipped, there will be an option which will be on digital code. So you have to select that. It is not showing in amazon.in, but it will be shown in amazon.com. Okay, so if you are using amazon.com, it will definitely show there. So after that, just for example, I will click here not yet shipped, and you have to apply. Okay, don't forget to click this. So we have to click on apply, and after that here it will show here that all the digital transaction you have done with the digital code, so it will exactly shown here. Okay, so I hope guys you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest notification, and see you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.